What quantity of a 15 mg per gram cream is needed to make 250 grams of a 0.05% cream? Express your answer to 2 decimal points. I'm again going to show you two different methods. So the first one is using the equation C1 times M1 is equal to C2 times M2. So this is the same equation that we're used to seeing for volumes, but with a solid product we use mass instead of volume. So once again, the trick is to look at the question and identify which one of these figures we need to calculate. So we're looking for the quantity of the starting product that we need, so that is M1. So let's rearrange our equation. M1 is equal to C2 times M2 divided by C1. We know C1, we're given that, it's 15 milligrams per gram. C2 we're going to have to calculate, I'm afraid, because we are given that as a percentage strength, but we need an amount strength. So 0.05% means that there are 0.05 grams in 100 grams. We need to convert that to milligrams. So 0.05 grams, 1, 2, 3, is equal to 50 milligrams in 100 grams. We need to know how many in a gram. So we divide that by 100, gives us 0.5 milligrams in every gram. So C2 is 0.5. M2 we're given, that is simply 250 grams, the mass of our final product. So if we put these figures into our equation, we get M1 is equal to C2, 0.5, multiplied by M2, 250, divided by C1, 15, and that works out to 2 decimal places to be 8.33 grams of the initial cream is needed to make that final product. The second method is using dilution factors again. So to remind you, the dilution factor is the initial strength divided by the final strength, which in this case is 15 divided by 0.5, means that our dilution factor is 30. So i.e. our final product is 1/30 of the concentration of our starting product. But we've not stopped there, we need to calculate the amount of the product, the initial product that we're using. And so for that we need the final mass divided by the dilution factor, i.e. 250 grams divided by 30, which again to 2 decimal places works out at 8.33 grams.